Meaning of Frank Muir.
Frank Muir.
Frank Muir.
Frank Muir.
Frank Muir. Frank Muir was an English comedian, writer, and broadcaster. He was born in 1920 and passed away in 1998. Muir is best known for his work on radio and television, including his roles as a panelist on the BBC radio show My Word, and as a co-writer of several successful British comedy shows. Muir's wit and humor made him a beloved figure in the entertainment industry, and his legacy continues to influence British comedy to this day. Overall, Frank Muir was a talented and influential figure in the world of British comedy.